shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Tuesday, February 23rd. All right, we got a new level in town on the SPY. Levi's, yep, late dark pool sell prints came in pretty heavy yesterday, 6.5 million, 389.98. Yep, we are below all these levels, by the way. Hope you guys have been putting on protection. Yep, that 390 level was really key. Okay, when we went below it. Yesterday, we came up to test it, could not even reach it. That is a weak signal when we can't even test and retest a major level like that. And of course, we pulled back. I talked about this in the Java Pit afternoon meeting yesterday. We're going to be bullish today above 388 for a retracement trade and bear below 384. Okay, we've come down and we've touched down on that 30 simple moving average. The second time we get down there, right? Less buyers, so look for 380, 370, I want to say 9, wherever this 50 simple moving average, right? Yeah, that's going to be the next target. If we lose the 30, okay, there's a big pocket. We look for these pockets in the daily chart for our best trades to the downside and the upside. Let's go to the Russell. The Russell's been light on dark pool activity. You can see nothing has been bolded. We have not had any large levels yet. Okay, that's why it's going sideways. Yeah, that's not where the money flow is leaving from right now. Maybe it'll be next, but it has not done so. We do have airlines and banks strong, so hence the Dow theory out the window. It's technology moving the market down right now. We're going to be bullish above 225 on the Russell and bear below 221.50, and we have just gone below that. Look for a possible touchdown on the 20 exponential and 20 simple moving average on the daily chart. Let's go to the Qs because that's where the heavy dark pool activity has been coming in. All right, look at all these bolded levels. This is all recent activity. We got the most massive level yesterday that we have gotten in, I don't even know, a long time. 6.5 million. Really big level, 330.96, late dark pool sell prints from this day. So pretty much they sold their faces off right here. Did not report it until yesterday all day long they were coming in. And today we're down here. See how that works? But of course, they're not talking about this on TV. No, they're talking about those Reddit traders and how horrible they are. You guys, look at this. Yeah, do the math. How many shares did they sell and hide? The institutions, the large institutions like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Barclays. But no, there's nothing to see here, folks. Let's move along. Yep. That's why they will not invite me on CNBC ever. All right, let's go to the E-minis. E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 3885, bear below 3840 for the E-minis. Let's move on to the NASDAQ. Bullish above 13,275, bear below 12,975. Let's go to those oil futures. Let's check that out. Massive oil prints coming in, you guys. Yesterday was crazy. The kind of prints we got yesterday on these cyber hacking stocks and oil and financials. Something's happening. All right, let's go to the oil futures. Bullish above 62.50, bear below 61.80. Let's head on over to the gold futures because those have been popping up a little bit. And let's see, we kind of hit a brick wall. All right, we hit this 20 simple moving average. So if we can break above that, there's a nice trade to the 30. And then if we do that, right, see the pockets? That's what we're trading. Bullish above 18.1250. All right, and that would be just above that first guy. And bear below 1798. I looked at the pre-market volume to determine my levels today. And let's head on over to Bitcoin futures. Yep, Bitcoin futures. Who could tell me the change on this chart? What happened that hasn't happened in quite a while, you guys? Who could tell me on the daily chart? What changed? Let's see, in the Java pit and the training pit, where I am recording live. Who can tell me? It went below, there you go, Andrew TV, got it first. Went below the 8, the 4 has not crossed below yet. Now, that takes a couple days. But yeah, went below the 8 EMA, which is why I took profit yesterday. All right, I didn't sell all, but I did sell some, but I will sell some more if I don't like the price action. I know a lot of people have been following along. Yep, something changed. Yep, and we have very high volume as well here on these futures. Let's see if we close below that today. We're hammering right now. We could go above it. All right, but that's going to be really key. Okay, for the daily chart. Yeah, and for the for those moving averages that we use, hold on a minute, the 12 and the 26, we went below the 12. Okay, we've been riding above that. All right, and yesterday we went below. Yep. And that's why I took some profit. Okay, there's nothing wrong with taking profit. Is good. Don't try to peg the top. Take profit along the way and pay some bills with it. All right, so Bitcoin futures today, bullish above 48,000 and bear below 46,000. Also Ethereum, I just want to point that out. Remember we had the dark pool. That's in the, the insights, right? We had dark pool print at 21.25. We went below it yesterday, and that is also why I took profit on my Ethereum. Okay, crypto. Ether, actually. All right, so Bitcoin futures, yeah, bull above 48,000, bear below 46,000. Let's get to the individual stocks. Tesla, yep, this was in the dark pool insights in past weeks. It is still going down. Wow, we went below that 700 level. 700 really key level. That's why I used it bullish above. My trade on the short here, short-term trade is, okay, from here to this peanut butter and jelly. The 200 exponential, 200 simple moving average, which I call peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, that's a trade up to resistance. If not, bear below 672.50. All right, let's go to silver. All right, silver got a boost yesterday. All right, it filled in a gap and it retraced back down to the 4 EMA. So let's see if it can push up again. Bullish above 26.20 this morning, bear below 25.60. BP. Yeah, making incredible moves this morning. We came up to the VWAP. See this yellow moving average, volume weighted average price. I love it on my daily chart. It's incredible. It's a magnet and it's a rubber band. And we boomeranged off. This has been one of my recommendations. Today, bullish above 24.52. If it can go above, all right, let's look at the big picture. If it can go above this VWAP, and you can see, right, we hit the VWAP back here and came down. So if we can go above that, yeah, we had lots of dark pool activity down there, as I've been calling out. But bullish above 24.52, bear below 23.25. Let's go to Exxon Mobil. Massive dark pool activity yesterday. Crazy. Holy moly, prints have been coming in on Exxon Mobil. I don't think I've ever seen anything so big on it. Something is going on. Yeah, I don't know. We're going to war. Is there going to be another drone strike? There's something happening. Last time we saw massive prints like this across the entire oil sector, we did have a drone strike. I didn't know that was coming, but I knew something was coming. So I'm letting you guys know something is coming. I don't know what it is. Don't ask me. They don't call me on the phone and tell me these things. We read the tape and we know something's happening. Bullish above 55.21, bear below 53.50. American Airlines, bullish above 21 today and bear below 20.25. It's also an insights trade. AMC, finally, yep, out of this sideways consolidation, rounded frying pan bottom. Yeah, it was really boring. That's why I never put it on the whisper here. Yesterday, I missed it. But today, I'm all over it. We got a lot of pre-market activity. Bullish above 706 and bear below 625 for AMC. All right, there's no restrictions on it. Seems good. Let's see, NEO. NEO getting crushed. You can see a trend change happened right here. The 4 went below the 8. Right, we came down to the 50, and now look at that, right down to the 100 bounce. If we go below the 100, we'll go down to the 120 simple moving average. All right, so we're going to be bullish above 48.50 today and bear below 46. CAN has been one of the hottest whispers. Last week we had a huge one day up. Yesterday was a great short trade to the downside, retracement. Even hit a couple targets on the upside. Today we've gone down below the 8. So there's a lot of room, folks, to go all the way down here. We have a gap, so we might go down to gap fake out, then push up and then go down, which is why, 15 target. But we might do a hammer and then hit the 15 EMA. All right, wherever this is, very powerful next moving average. So bullish above 18.50, bear below 16 is not a beginner stock. All right, only if you're an advanced trader should you take a shot with that one. Okay, let's go to AMD. Bullish above 86.50, bear below 83. We are below massive dark pool activity on AMD. We did come down and look at that. We hit the 161 EMA. That's that silver trend line. I love it. I put it on originally for commodities, but I realized everything loves it. So yeah, go ahead, put it on. It's free. 161 EMA. We bounced right off that today. Bear below 83. We do go down again. Bull above 86.50 for a retracement. Home Depot had earnings and they do not like it, which is interesting, right? Home sales supposedly really good. Well, it's running out of steam. It's been consolidating for how many months? This is the longest consolidations, folks. Holy cow. Wow. We had this big run up, massive run up. Here's the crash to the moon, and then nothing. So, is it a giant accumulation pattern or is it a giant distribution pattern? We'll see. Let's see how it closes today. If it closes weak, especially if it closes below this 200, yeah, we'll most likely go down further. So today for the day trade, though, bullish above 277.50, bear below 270 for Home Depot. And last but certainly not least, Yoli called this out in the room on Friday. Thank you, Yoli, if you're in the house here. Kimber owes you lunch, breakfast, dinner. She took this trade overnight on the short side, and she is killing it. She's one of our traders of the week this week. Yeah, and that's what the room is about. I never would have even put it in the Dark Pool Insights if Yoli didn't call it out. I didn't even see it. But he called it out. I looked at the chart. I saw this up thrust, beautiful selling right here. Big print, and it looked amazing. This is definitely the top here. I mean, that's what that print told me. Smart money likes to sell at the top. So I'm glad somebody got this. Anybody else get Tiger on the short side? TIGR. All right, well, bullish above 31 today. I didn't like anything before that. There's a lot of traffic. Bear below 27.50 for some more downside activity. We do have a trend line right here. Watch that, Kimber. Right, we are below it right now. That's resistance. But we do have some support at these 20 exponential and simple. If it goes below 26, that's the big fall right there for the next trade, though. All right, that could be tomorrow's trade. All right, we have one more. Citibank, I had to put a financial on here. Massive prints yesterday. Holy moly. They've been coming in left and right. There's something going on with the bank stocks. I don't know what it is, but something is happening. We've been getting tremendous prints. So bull above 66.51. Bear below 63.80 for Citibank. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Tuesday. Taco Tuesday day. That's right. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.